Look out on the desirable east side from the front porch of this beautifully renovated Victorian home which perfectly blends classic charm and modern details. Gorgeous pine floors grace the interior, including the welcoming foyer with a stunning fireplace. Oversized windows cast plenty of natural light upon the adjoining living room, giving it an inviting atmosphere. Enjoy meals by the handsome fireplace in the dining room that opens directly into the gourmet kitchen featuring high-end appliances and custom cabinetry. Completing the first floor is a modern powder room. Look out on the home's mature gardens from the brick patio as a stone walking path winds through the fenced yard to the detached garage. On the second floor, 3 generous bedrooms share an updated full bath with a walk-in shower, soaking tub, and trough sink. Exposed beams run across the ceiling of the spacious third floor with a half bath and built-in storage. This area is ideal for creating a private bedroom suite, playroom, or rec room. This location offers great walkability as you can easily reach a variety of local shops and restaurants along Hope Street. Enjoy more shopping opportunities along Thayer Street and North Main Street. Visit nearby Brown Street Park or the Farmers Market at Lippett Memorial Park. Several renowned schools are in the area, including Brown University and the Rhode Island School of Design. The nearby interstate and commuter rail make traveling swift and easy. Downtown Providence is minutes away and home to an array of award-winning and cultural destinations. For more information, please visit the property website or call David Hasslinger at area code 401-465-8625.